What a hauntingly beautiful month we find ourselves in, October. Join me today on the Daily Connoisseur as we explore beautiful October living in all its jeweled facets. Hello dear friends, Jennifer here, and welcome back. Fall has finally arrived at our doorstep through the portal of the autumn equinox. And though this time of year can be particularly busy with school, work, and household obligations, I find it pressing to step away and do something unexpected. Henry David Thoreau wrote, "October is the month of painted leaves. Their rich glow now flashes round the world, as fruits and leaves and the day itself acquire a bright tint just before they fall. So the year near its setting, October is its sunset sky, November the later twilight." How true. There is a pressing feeling before autumn truly succumbs to itself and the trees become bare. For now, the leaves are still present, the colors still there. On my walk in the forest on this day, mixed in with the painted leaves and the dry brush, I came across a rather extravagant moonflower. These pop up this time of year in California, luminescent white trumpets that spring forth from the ground to meet you. As I bent down to have a closer look, I saw an emerald green bee drinking from this moonflower's nectar. What an unusual and enchanting sight. If you allow the space for an excursion such as this, you notice these enchanting details that you might otherwise have missed. And now for what I came here to do, some painting. I've been adding to my art journal through watercoloring and drawing. Leaning into this new hobby has opened up its own portal for me. I stifled the medium of art for so long. I told myself I couldn't do it, that I wasn't an artist. But releasing that limiting label has been freeing for me. I can create something that interprets this autumn day and document it in my art journal. Each piece of art, including mine, is one of a kind. How therapeutic to engage in a beautiful pastime such as this. Everyday life can be so rushed, so frantic. To pause and engage in art for the sake of art is restorative. Halloween is around the corner, and the craft stores are displaying their decorations in abundance. If you go one aisle down, Christmas is already there, but we aren't quite there yet. Back home, I want to create a simple autumnal bouquet from store-bought flowers. I'll share my trick with you to make this a budget bouquet. Find a bouquet of a single floral variety on sale at the grocery store or florists. In this case, I found these enchanting purple mums, perfect for October. These were under $5. I'm going to make the bouquet look beautiful and full with filler from my own garden. In this case, I'm using lavender and bay leaves from our tree. The sage green from the lavender and the rich deep green from the bay leaf contrast nicely and bring out the beautiful amethyst hue. By changing out the water each day, I got this bouquet to last nearly 10 days. And now, keeping with the amethyst theme, let me take you to a brunch I went to recently at the Center Theater Group in downtown Los Angeles. I'm feeling like an amethyst princess this morning. So this morning I'm going to brunch at the Dorothy Chandler Pavilion for the Center Theater Group's preview for the upcoming season. And I'm really excited about this. So I've decided to wear the Quince wash silk maxi dress. It has an elevated element to it as well. Even though it's a casual silk, it could still be dressed up. So I'm enjoying that. And then I'm wearing my amethyst earrings by Otter Spirit, which just brings out, you know, the hues. I feel like there's this like aura of amethyst around me. And then my lip color too from Merit. Can't remember what it is off the top of my head, but I'll put it on the screen. And then I painted my nails and I tried out the next one in the London Town Fall collection, and this is called Nightcap. And a lot of you liked this one too. So it's that antique pearl bronze. And it's so pretty. And for my handbag, I'm going to be using the Artemisia Huang. And it's like a slightly different shade of purple amethyst, but I think it goes really well for that monochromatic look. And then I couldn't decide on my shoes, but I finally decided on the John Joseph smoking slippers in Be Happy. Because I'm going to a theater event, it feels very whimsical, and I love to express that. And, you know, it's a casual brunch. So that is what I'm wearing to the brunch. I was invited to a preview brunch at the Dorothy Chandler Pavilion for the 2024-2025 season at the Amundsen, the Mark Taper Forum, and the Kirk Douglas Theater, otherwise known as the Center Theater Group. We heard from the artistic director and saw performances from the upcoming American Idiot show featuring actors from Center Theater Group and Deaf West. It was an amazing morning. I took my daughter with me and we had so much fun. I can't wait for the upcoming season. I'll leave Center Theater Group's website down below. I hope this encourages you to seek out the arts where you live. And since we're on the subject of fun and lovely things, we threw a small party for our muralist and her family so they could see her mural. Here is some footage from the event. All right, we're having the party for our muralist and her family so that they can see the murals. And I don't know if the lighting works here, but we had the curtains hung up today and I think they look fantastic. There's a whole story behind that. I'm not sure if I've already shared that, but I will eventually. And then we had that bamboo shade put up there. So here are the curtains and the mural at night. The lights that we put up. I was listening to classical music on the TV. We don't really do Halloween decorations, but we do have this little table going on with the Halloween haunted houses right beneath my book covers. I'm super excited. So I'm just setting up the table here and we're having a dessert party. So carrot cake, red velvet cake, and then whenever you host a party, you are aware of what you need because I only have one pitcher right now. And I would like another pitcher because I would like to decant this strawberry lemonade into it, but I can't find my other pitcher. So we just have a few drinks. It's going to be dessert parties and there's a few more desserts coming. The house is looking great. And then, ooh, it's brilliantly light in here, but the mural is looking great. It's harder to film everything at night, but it just looks, I love this powder room. I just love this powder room. I just love it. Oh, it looks so good. I just love the whimsical feel. It's like you've stepped into an enchanted garden. And even though we have been enjoying brunch, parties, flower arranging, and forest bathing, I need to bring us back to reality because guess what? I need to clean out my fridge. Cleaning the fridge is one of those activities that you put off, but it always feels so good when you finally get to doing it. It's very satisfying throwing out old food, cleaning it up, and making room for fresh food. So I don't mind the process. I was listening to a podcast while I did this, and it went by pretty quickly. So many of our chores at home are about bringing out beauty, clearing out the old, and making way for the new. When the new arrives, arranging it beautifully into our world. A well-stocked kitchen truly is luxury and comfort. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I invite you to sign up for my free monthly newsletter, which is taking the place of my blog for now. Visit jenniferlscott.com and enter your email in the top left-hand corner and click subscribe. Thank you for watching as always. I hope you have a beautiful October day, and I'll see you next time. Love, Jennifer.